You guys ready to check out one of the most versatile gooseneck trailers on the market today? This is a Rawmaxx HTX gooseneck. This one's 40 foot long. It has two 12,000-pound dual tandem axles. It has the Dexter HDDS suspension, electric over hydraulic brakes, a hydraulic dovetail, and hydraulic landing gear. All right, now let's go take a closer look. Let's start here at the front. We have our solar panel. We've got our toolbox here. Let's see if this is open for you. See if we can get a shot inside of there. That's a lockable box. We have our dual drop leg hydraulic landing gear. There you can take a look at everything listed on the VIN sticker. You'll see a 24,000-pound GVWR, 12,000-pound AWR. All right. We have our step. Of course, we have stake pockets, rub rail, D-rings. We have an underbody box here. Great for storing your straps and other items you'll need in transport. All right, next we've got our hydraulic box. This has our battery, our pump, our remote. This unit also comes with a wireless remote. This is our valve where we can switch between the hydraulic tail and the hydraulic landing gear. You'll also see we have an onboard charger right here. And I did mention that this is electric over hydraulic disc brakes. And that unit's also located in this box. We have our Dexter heavy duty suspension. This is the spreader axle setup, adjustable suspension. We have two 12,000-pound Dexter axles. And again, we have a hydraulic tail. This unit is great for all sorts of hauling, from hot shots to heavy equipment. We have our ratchet slider system. We have our dunnage rack located there. Another step. We have our chains and binder rack set up here on the front. Again, this is a very versatile unit with the hydraulic tail that just increases your loading efficiency, and with the hydraulic jacks, you know, you're getting hooked up so much faster, and you're not having to break a sweat every time you need to hook up to your unit. Again, it's got the solar charger, which helps maintain the battery on board here for your hydraulics. This unit is available at NC Trailers. We are the #1 rated trailer dealer in the Carolinas with over 400 units in stock between our Winston-Salem and Thomasville locations. We sell new and used trailers. We accept trade-ins, buybacks, and of course we offer financing. If you're interested in this unit or any other units that we may have in stock, call, come by, check us out on the web at nctrailers.com. We'd love to hook you up.